Hey there, fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything related to bikes. In this video, we are going to take a deep dive into the world of Royal Enfield. I'll share my personal experience, give you some pro tips and tricks, and guide you on how to make an informed decision while buying a Royal Enfield. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax while I take you on a journey. Hey guys, before we get started, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. As I already mentioned, today we are going to talk about Royal Enfield, one of the oldest and most iconic motorcycle brands in the world. Whether you are a seasoned rider or a newbie, Royal Enfield's classic and vintage charm is hard to resist. But the question is, how to choose the right one for you. That's what we are going to discuss in this video.